In today's video, let's learn how to apply or extend your SIN. In Google, search for SIN Canada. Click on the first link, Social Insurance Number, apply, update or obtain a SIN. Scroll down. There is no fee to apply for a SIN. Choose the relevant option to know what documents you need to provide with your application. I am applying for my SIN, so selecting the first option. Based on your situation, you can select the scenario. Select your status in Canada. I am on a work permit, so selecting temporary resident. How would you like to apply? I would like to apply in person. Now let's see what documents are required. Make sure you carry all original documents. Should be valid, not expired. Clear and legible either in English or French. For temporary residents, primary documents are: if you are on a work permit issued by IRCC. If you are a student, then study permit issued by IRCC, which indicates the permit holder may accept employment or may work in Canada. Secondary documents are passport, state ID card or driver's license or any other Canadian government issued ID. If the current name does not match the name on the primary or secondary document provided, you must submit the supporting document. Let's check what are the supporting documents. It can be either marriage certificate, divorce certificate, legal change of name certificate, an adoption order certified by Canadian court, notarial adoption certificate, or a request to amend record of landing issued by IRCC. Let's go back. You can also find out your nearest Service Canada Centre whether it's open or not. Let's click on this link. Answer these questions. Where do you live in Canada? What service do you need help with? Social insurance number. Click on Find a Service Canada office near you. Here type your address or postal code. Like this, you can search your nearest Service Canada location. Now let's go back. To request an appointment, you have to fill the online service request form. Language of service, English. Fill out your contact information. I need help to apply for a SIN. I want to book an appointment for the eSIN program compliance review. If you want to provide an additional information, you can update in this box. Click on Submit. Thank you. Your request for service was received. Please don't submit multiple service requests. A Service Canada officer will contact you within 2 business days. Please note, you may be contacted from a blocked or private number. If your phone is set up to block these type of calls, then Service Canada officer will not be able to contact you. This is my confirmation number. Please make a note of your confirmation number. When you get a call from the officer, you have to provide this confirmation number. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.